from JEE Maths 2026 trigonometry. Question is, if sine pi by 18 into sine 5 pi by 18 into sine 7 pi by 18 is k, then the value of sine 10 k pi by 3 is. These are the options you have to select from. So let us see. The given expression I have written over here. Now I can write the same expression as sine of pi by 18 into sine of, this can be written as pi by 3 minus pi by 18, and this sine pi by 3 plus pi by 18 equal to k. Let it be. How it is possible? It is possible like this. 5 pi can be written as 6 pi minus pi, so it's just 18. So it can be written as 6 pi by 18 minus pi by 18. 6 is 3 ja. So pi by 3 minus pi by 18. Same way, 7 pi by 18 can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 18. So similarly you can get pi by 3 plus pi by 18. Okay, 6 3 ja. So pi by 3 plus pi by 18. So this I have done it here. So come back. This will imply sine of pi by 18 into the second term. I will split it as formula sine of a minus b, and this I will split it as sine of a plus b. And you know the formula for sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So sine a means sine pi by 3, cos b means cos pi by 18 minus cos a means cos pi by 3, sine b means sine pi by 18. This is the second term expansion. And one more term is there, sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 18. So sine of a plus b. So sine of pi by 3 into cos of pi by 18 plus cos of pi by 3 into sine of pi by 18 will imply. Now you can see that this is becoming as a minus b, and this is a plus b. So it will give you a square minus b square. So that I will do. Sine pi by 18 and then sine square pi by 3 into cos square pi by 18 minus cos square pi by 3 into sine square pi by 18 bracket closed. This will imply sine of pi by 18, and sine square pi by 3 means sine square 60, that is root 3 by 2 square, and cos square pi by 18 as it is. And cos square pi by 3 is cos 60 means 1 by 2 square into sine square pi by 18 will imply sine of pi by 18 and 3 by 4 cos square pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sine square pi by 18. So we can write sine pi by 18, and 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4 cos square pi by 18. I am doing it because the next step we will get more simpler expression. For that I have done this substitution. This will give you cos square pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 cos square pi by 18 and minus 1 by 4 sin square pi by 18. So in this way, this sin pi by 18 and cos square pi by 18 will be there, and this will give you 1 by 4 common, then cos square pi by 18 plus sin square pi by 18. So this will reduce to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So sin pi by 18 cos square pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 into 1. So this will give you sin pi by 18 into cos square pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sin pi by 18. Bracket has been opened. Now we will solve this the first term. For that I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2, and this will give you sin pi by 18, and cos square pi by 18 can be written as cos pi by 18 into cos pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sin pi by 18. So this will give you 2 sin a cos a, so sin 2a. So you can write it as 1 by 2 and sine of twice of pi by 18 into cos of pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sine of pi by 18 to 9 ja. Again we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2, so it will become 4. And this is your sine pi by 9 into cos pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sine pi by 18. So this will give you 1 by 4, 2 sin a cos b formula. So it will be sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. So sine of a plus b means pi by 9 plus pi by 18 and plus sine of a minus b means pi by 9 minus pi by 18 and minus 1 by 4 sine pi by 18 was there. Okay, so 1 by 4 within bracket pi by 9 plus pi by 18, 9 2s are, so 3 pi sine 3 pi by 18 plus sine 9 2s are, so this will give you pi by 18, and this is your minus 1 by 4 sine pi by 18. In this way pi 3 6 ja. So you will get 1 by 4 sine pi by 6 plus 1 by 4 sine pi by 18 minus 1 by 4 sine pi by 18. These two will get cancelled, similar to negative sign. Pi by 6 sine of is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 8. This is the value of k, and you have to find the value of sine 10k pi by 3. So sine of 10 into 1 by 8 into pi by 3. So you can also write like this: sine of 10 into 1 by 8 into 180 by 3. So degree 360 degree 8. This is your 5 to the This is 4 to the, this is 4, 15 degree. So at the moment you are getting sine 75 degree. If you remember the value, you can directly put. If you don't remember, you can find out like this. Sine of 120 degree minus 45 degree, which gives sine 120 degree cos 45 degree minus cos 120 degree into sine 45 degree is equal to sine 120 degree means sine pi minus 60. So it will give you sine 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus cos 120 is cos pi minus 60, and that will give you minus cos 60 degree, and sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos, next step, root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus minus plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So it will give you 2 root 2 and root 3 plus 1, and this is the option 1. Option 1 is correct. Okay, you can check it here. It is looking like lengthy, but it is very easy question.